Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we are going to powerfully manifest our deepest desires. No matter how extraordinary, how big, or how far away they may seem, the power to have them right now in this very moment is real. Your desires are already manifested in the vibrational realm. All we need to do is align with them, and we can attract them right now. I want you to take a deep breath. Get comfortable. Let go of the day's events. Let go of anything, any thoughts in your head, any worries. There is nothing you need to do right now. Just listen to my voice. I want you to visualize your desire as if it has already manifested. What is it that would make your heart sing? I want you to visualize it now as if it has already happened. Don't argue with it and don't push it. Just have fun with it and relax into it. Where are you? Who's with you? How do you feel in this very moment? Sit with this vision for a moment and sit with this feeling. Take another deep breath and clear your mind. It is time to let go. Just listen to my voice. I am a powerful manifester. I am a powerful manifester. I know what I want, and I get it. I know what I want, and I get it. My life keeps getting better and better. My life keeps getting better and better. I am showered with blessings. I am showered with blessings. My life is fun and joy-filled. My life is fun and joy-filled. Today is the best day ever. Today is the best day ever. It is easy for me to manifest my desires. It is easy for me to manifest my desires. I manifest the best for myself right now. I manifest the best for myself right now. I now manifest abundance. I now manifest abundance. I now manifest joy. I now manifest joy. I now manifest love. I now manifest love. I now manifest wealth. I now manifest wealth. I am now supported by the universe. I am now supported by the universe. I deserve the best, and I accept the best now. I deserve the best, and I accept the best now. I am living my best life. I am living my best life. Life is magical for me. Life is magical for me. I am showered with blessings and miracles. I am showered with blessings and miracles. I am healthy, wealthy, and wise. I am healthy, wealthy, and wise. I am rich in my body, mind, and soul. I am rich in my body, mind, and soul. I am always at the right place at the right time for my highest good. I am always at the right place at the right time for my highest good. The universe always has my back. The universe always has my back. Everything is always going my way. Everything is always going my way. I follow my dreams and manifest my desires right now. I follow my dreams and manifest my desires right now. It is okay for me to have everything that I want. It is okay for me to have everything that I want. If I can imagine it, I can create it. If I can imagine it, I can create it. I am now creating the most amazing life. I am now creating the most amazing life. My life is joy-filled. My life is joy-filled. I trust my wisdom and inner guidance. I trust my wisdom and inner guidance. I am always guided to that which will bring me the most joy. I am always guided to that which will bring me the most joy. I love myself, I support myself, and I believe in myself. I love myself, I support myself, and I believe in myself. I am now living my dream life. I am now living my dream life. My life is incredible. My life is incredible. My positive thoughts are powerful. My positive thoughts are powerful. I think of what I want, and so it is. I think of what I want, and so it is. I am now living in my dream home. I am now living in my dream home. I have a beautiful, healthy, happy body. I have a beautiful, healthy, happy body. I have great relationships with people I love who also love me. I have great relationships with people I love who also love me. I am abundant and prosperous in numerous ways. I am abundant and prosperous in numerous ways. I am richly blessed. I am richly blessed. New blessings come to me every day. New blessings come to me every day. I now celebrate my amazing life. I now celebrate my amazing life. Miracles manifest for me every day in amazing ways. Miracles manifest for me every day in amazing ways. My prayers are always answered. My prayers are always answered. I am confident in my ability to create the life that I desire. I am confident in my ability to create the life that I desire. I now create the life I desire, even better than I could imagine it. I now create the life that I desire, even better than I could imagine it. I am powerful. I am powerful. I focus on feeling good, and as I do, I attract more good to me. I focus on feeling good, and as I do, I attract more good to me. I am love, abundance, success, happiness, and fulfillment. I am love, abundance, success, happiness, and fulfillment. My desires are now manifested. My desires are now manifested. Thank you for listening. Your mind has now been programmed to manifest the life of your desires. Today, I want you to look for the best in every situation, person, place, and thing. I want you to take note of the miracles and blessings that are happening to you and around you, and see how they multiply. You may listen to this meditation as often as you'd like to help amplify and speed up your ability to manifest your desires. All of the power is within you. Namaste.